Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So we installed Visual Studio and SQL Server, and also we installed Management Studio. Finally we are going to install Postman, which is used to test our web APIs. Before continuing with this session, I would request you all, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for notification alerts. Go to Google. So Postman downloader. Go to official website postman.com. Click on this link. Here you can select the Windows 64-bit. I'm using Windows 64-bit, that's why I'm clicking on this. So it's downloading that exe of Postman. Our exe has been downloaded successfully. Click on show in folder. So this is the exe related to Postman. Double click on this. Now our Postman is installing. Click on new. So our Postman has been installed successfully. From here we can test all our web APIs. To get method, we can pause our URL and we can click on send, post, put, patch, delete, everything is available. So we have installed all the tools related to development, so which is used for the .NET application development. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.